Yes. They want a VO building. They want a VO building, no? I will give you from CMSDF, from Chief Minister's Development Fund. I will give you VO office. Okay? You just write me an application, put your number, and you can give it to either Peston also, or to you, or to BDO. Just somebody can coordinate. We'll just take note, and then from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I will give a VO building to you. Okay? So we are just here at the beginning of the Ranthiliang Mawkernot route bridge trek, and this is the ancient highways, as they call it, and the route that the ancestors and our forefathers used to use, and it is still being kept like this and preserved. It's a beautiful place for tourists to come in, and I would really encourage our people as well as our tourists to come and experience this really traditional highway and traditional routes that our forefathers used to use. Retaining wall. Very good. This one? Oh. Madam, come this side. Thank you. Enjoy. For me, it was a great experience because I became part of this bridge. I've become part of history because I also managed to weave one of the routes and tied it down. So now my contribution, I can say, and my participation is also there in this particular bridge, and therefore this moment and this particular bridge means a lot to me. It's very special to me, and as I said, now I'm part of the history of this bridge, which is still under construction. 90 years back it was started, so it's a great experience.